Welcome to the Pipedrive series of data integration tutorials, where we show you how to automatically export data from your favorite apps. Hi, I'm Piotr from Pipedrive. Today I will show you how to export Pipedrive data to BigQuery. Don't miss out on any of our data integration tutorials. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be the first to know about the new videos. If you haven't started with Pipedrive yet, sign up for a free trial account in just 3 clicks. If you already have an account, sign in now. I will now set up a Pipedrive to BigQuery integration. Click the Add Importer button. From the list of source apps, pick Pipedrive. Then choose BigQuery as the destination app. Click Proceed. I want to export Pipedrive products to BigQuery on this occasion, so I name the importer accordingly. Next, click the Connect button. Authorize Pipedrive to import the data on your behalf by clicking the Allow and Install button. Then press Continue. There are many data entities available for import from Pipedrive to BigQuery. Since I want to fetch products, I select this option from the menu and click Continue. In the next optional stage, you can add a filter or adjust the set of columns to be imported. I will skip it this time and jump to the destination settings. Now I need to connect my BigQuery account. Click Connect. To automatically load data from Pipedrive to Google BigQuery, I need to generate a key file in JSON format. Here's how to do it. Open your BigQuery dashboard. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side, go to I am an admin and then Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account at the top. Name the account and optionally add a description. Then click Create and Continue. Add the following roles: BigQuery Data Editor and BigQuery Job User. Press Continue and then Done on the next page. Now find the newly created service account on the list. Click the 3 dots to its right and select Manage Keys. Press Add Key and then Create New Key. Go with the JSON type and click Create. Save the file to your device. Now jump back to the Pipedrive tab and upload that file. Click Save and then Continue. Decide also where to import your data from Pipedrive to BigQuery. Copy and paste the dataset and table names. Alternatively, type in their names and Pipedrive will create them for you. By default, the table schema is auto-detected. However, if you want to set it manually, uncheck the toggle and insert the desired column schema. Afterwards, press Continue. The last 2 settings are optional and I will skip them. Click Continue. As the final step, you can decide how frequently Pipedrive should send your Pipedrive data to Google BigQuery. Switch the toggle on. I want to refresh my data every day at 9 AM sharp. I change the interval to every day and add Saturday and Sunday to the schedule. Everything else looks good, so I hit the Save and Run button. While we're waiting for the import to finish, please like this video and share it with others if you found it useful. My importer has now finished running, so I click the View Results button. And here's my Pipedrive data in BigQuery. Set up your Pipedrive to BigQuery integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, Pipedrive has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support. Thanks.